Have you ever wondered how Spark handles reading text files? It's a great question. And if you're curious about whether the driver or the workers are doing the reading, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how sc.textfile works in Spark. I totally get it. It can be confusing to understand the roles of the driver and the workers in Spark, especially when it comes to reading files. You're not alone in this. Many people have the same question. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, is it the driver or the workers who read the text file when sc.textfile is used? This is a common point of confusion, so let's break it down. To understand this, we need to look at how Spark operates. The driver is responsible for managing the overall execution of the application, while the workers handle the actual data processing. So how does this relate to reading files? Let's find out. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you optimize your Spark applications even further. To understand how the sc.textfile function works in Spark, let's first clarify the roles of the driver and the workers. The user should know that the driver is responsible for managing the overall execution of the application. When the user calls sc.textfile, the driver does not read the entire file itself. Instead, it splits the file into smaller partitions. This is an important step because it allows for parallel processing. Next, the user should note that the workers are the ones that read the text file directly from the storage. Each worker reads its assigned partition independently, which enhances performance. Finally, the user can conclude that while the driver orchestrates the process, it is indeed the workers who handle the actual reading of the text file. This design is what makes Spark so powerful for big data processing. Fun fact, Spark was designed to handle big data processing efficiently, and its architecture allows for parallel processing, which is why it can handle large data sets so well. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. In this alternative approach, the user clarifies that when using sc.textfile in Spark, the driver does not read the file. Instead, the workers read the text file directly. They point out that text file RDDs are created using the Spark context text file method. Additionally, if the file is on the local file system, it must be accessible at the same path on all worker nodes, either by copying the file or using a shared file system. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always monitor your Spark jobs to ensure that the data distribution is balanced among workers. This can significantly improve performance. And there you have it. Now you know how sc.textfile works in Spark and the roles of the driver and workers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more insights, and don't forget to check out our next video for more Spark tips.